So we got 18 miles to Universal, 2 miles to Disney, Legoland 35, Clearwater 90. It's pretty cool. Cocoa Beach 75, SeaWorld 13. Yeah, Dell Webb Oasis. I'm at the models. Gonna have a look at some of these models. I'm glad that the sun is kind of in today. It's not out as much. It was really sunny and hot, but at least now it's cooling off. So let's get started. This is the Palmari, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,943 plus square feet. So it should be a pretty large single-story house. 2 to 3 bedrooms is usually. All right. So when you first walk in, there's a pretty good amount of space in this hallway. Let's see what we have to the right. It's just amazing how much this house already feels like a Pulte. Let's see how big this closet is. Does it cover the whole wall? No, it doesn't. So the closet kind of stops like right around here. And let's see, what do we have? Full bathroom. And another bedroom. See the garage. Oh, they sealed the floor. That's nice. Epoxy sealed, and you can see that there's a lot of space over here. I'll just do the foot test. You can see all the extra room. It looks about the same over here as well. It's always nice to have the garage floor sealed. It's something that's great to do. Most builders don't do it. But, if you could do it at some point before you move in, it's a great option. You don't have to worry about like oil leaking or anything like that, and soaking into the floor. Anyway, this is the laundry room. That's me. What do we got here? All right, so some kind of a storage room. That's really all this is. It's just storage. Or I guess maybe a coat closet. You could easily hang some more of these shelves, or potentially just get some shelves that are going to sit on the floor, and you have a nice whole closet. Boy, this is big. Wonderful looking. What's this pantry like? That's what I was curious about. It's a big pantry. Yeah, big pantry. Countertops appear to be quartz to my eyes. Plenty of cabinets in this kitchen and countertop space. This island is huge. You could see that they got 4 chairs, and you could easily fit somebody here and here. And the builders, they put some nice pools in. Of course, that doesn't come with your house, but it's nice to see. Because this house has a huge lanai. I mean, that's just, there's a couch back there.
Dell Webb has an industry-leading warranty, offering extra protection and peace of mind for your home. When you purchase your home, a copy of the Dell Webb limited warranty will have a full list of everything that's covered. But here's a high-level summary of what's offered. 10-year coverage on structural elements of your home. 5-year coverage against various types of water infiltration and leaks.
That's good.
2-year coverage of plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and other mechanical systems.
That might be a little bit more than
And
standard.
a comprehensive 1-year warranty covering materials and workmanship. We will continue to
Well, that's
check
standard.
throughout the first year of ownership.
It seems like it's a little bit expanded though.
Maintenance and seasonal remodel.
Because usually it's just the plumbing and the
Regular home maintenance will still be
electrical on the second year. I don't usually hear the HVAC, but, and then the 5-year water intrusion warranty.
guides on our website to provide help
That's different.
and also to help you understand what's covered under the warranty versus general.
Oh man, this is huge. That's all HVAC. So Dell Webb Oasis, this is in a fantastic location. Southern Winter Garden. It's a really nice master bedroom. I like the space. So I'm looking at the 2 sinks and I'm looking at the spacing between them. That's a lot of space. Got a shower here and there's a seat. That's nice. I had a feeling this house was going to be pretty spacious. You know, typically a single story, 2,000 square feet. Everything's on the same floor and it's spacious and, you know, ceilings are high. I can't touch them. Really big closet. A lot of space in this closet. So you could probably use this as a storage as well. Unless if somebody has a lot of clothes, then maybe not. And towel closet. That's probably the toilet in the closet. Yes, it is. And this I like. I'm not really sure what it is. I guess it's to hang towels, but this little space over here, I feel like I would probably put like a chair over there for some reason, just to get ready. There was a house that I saw many years ago. It was a real luxury house, and they had chairs in the bathroom, because basically the bathroom was like the size of a bedroom. It was pretty enormous. Yeah, it's a great room. I like this. Okay.